Tell me now. The Masters will be judged by the people of Marine, not by you.
You don't have to worry about us. Just point us at the people you want dead, we'll take it from there.
You enjoy this far more than you should. Kill only those you must. You will both do as Croft commands. Follow his orders exactly, or you will get nothing. Now go. Show them the hell they have made here.
Guten Tag, ihr Leid. Weiter geht's mit Game of Thrones. Jetzt endlich mal hinter der Mauer. Und jetzt bin ich ruhig.
Cotter? Let's see that map again.
So you're asking now, are you? Surprised you haven't taken it from my pocket already.
Na.
How much food we got left? Here we are. Carried. How's the food?
This
Ist
won't
das
last
ein
much longer.
Paradieschen?
If Finn wasn't eating all of it,
Na
It's not
komm.
me.
Huch, auch
we'll
reden.
have to stop soon, look for some food. We're on the right track. This way.
Kotta ist ein Wildling. Falls ihr ein bisschen Auffrischung braucht, was in der vorletzten Folge oder war es noch früher los war. Was ist denn hier los? Da ist eine Wildlingsfrau. Okay.
The free folk. Oh, things. Oh, this complicates things. You stay here. I'll try and talk to her. I'm one of them.
Ja, du siehst aber nicht so aus.
Fucking wildling, Cotter! They might kick me around a little, but whatever you do, don't come out, alright? She has to think I'm alone. If she sees you, you'll only make things worse.
Sorry Leute, bei uns im Dorf ist gerade Feuerwerk. Es könnte jetzt etwas lauter werden.
Oh, I'm a friend. I grew up near Ardholm. You know it?
Vielleicht habe ich aber auch nur Explosionsdurchfall.
You won't.
I'm one of you.
You sure look like a crow to me. You're dressed like one.
You out here all alone, little pup? Come out or I'll kill your friend! Or I'll make him scream first!
Listen, I don't want to fight.
Then you shouldn't have
Ja,
come here.
komm.
He's not alone.
Okay. Ich muss hier kurz Pause machen und das Fenster zumachen. Das geht hier so nicht weiter. Einen Moment. Guten Tag. So, wir spielen jetzt wieder weiter. Die haben aufgehört rumzuböllern. Ja, sorry, bei uns ist Cap, ihr Leid. Cap ist mit Kevebube und Kevemajor und Keverit. Ja, keine Ahnung, wie heißt das? Kirmes? Nur auf dem Dorf, nur in cool, weißt du? Hirschweih höre ich da gerade aus dem Off, keine Ahnung. Und die ist jetzt halt fertig und deshalb gab's da halt. Ja, komm, fortsetzen.
I knew a little crow wouldn't wander off by himself.
Leave them be, all right? Just take
Was ist denn
me.
Haus?
I think I'll take all of you. You wouldn't want your friends to feel
Ja,
left
hier,
out.
sorry, ich muss erstmal meine
Let him
Maus
go.
suchen.
That we're just passing through. We didn't mean any harm.
Right. You and your fuckless men just want to kill us all and take our land.
Na, das Land
you didn't
wollen wir
mean
auch nicht
any harm.
wegnehmen. Ihr könnt da ruhig bleiben. Jetzt los. Oh, shit. Alles Frauen? Okay.
Carried.
Kill them.
Nicht gut. Oh, ich glaube, ich muss kämpfen. Zack. Okay. Swish. Au, der hat mich gehauen. Hör auf, mich zu hauen. Hey, das sollst dir nicht weh machen. Also, ja, ich weiß, die wollen mir auch weh machen, aber... Die hauen, wieso hauen denn die mit einem Speer? Das ist schon seltsam irgendwie.
Thanks.
Fuck.
vergessen. Nein.
Cotter!
Ah. Ich drück. So. Zack, weg mit dir. Los, hör auf damit. Bist du noch nicht fertig? Okay, also eigentlich wollte ich das nicht. Bin immer noch nicht fertig. Schlack. Ich wollte gerade sagen, ich weiß nicht, war ich zu spät? Deshalb habe ich sie getötet oder wie? Keine Ahnung. Hey, die klaut mal jetzt meine Radieschen.
Hey! Garrett!
Nein.
Garrett, no! She's
Jetzt.
not fighting you! It's over! Just don't do it! Garrett! Let her...
Ja, ist ja gut. Die hat mir meine Radieschen geklaut. Das waren meine letzten.
Those the last of our supplies.
Ja. Ab jetzt gibt's lecker Menschenfleisch. Fleisch. Menschenfleisch? Menschenfrauenfleisch, wollte ich sagen.
We can't stay here.
Ach, mach Sachen.
Come on! We can rest up ahead.
Hm. So. Also, wie geht's weiter hier? Wir haben also die White Hills, die hier bei uns waren, die haben wir jetzt... Ich bin ja schon ruhig.
You wanted to kill him, didn't you? How did you know when to stop? I don't think I could have. I suppose that's why you're the Lord. And I'm...
I just knew it wasn't right. I wasn't the Lord I wanted to be.
What do you think Lord Whitehill will do when he hears?
Er wird mich
Truly as a
umbringen.
spy,
He won't know of this. Not until we want him to. The gates are barred and every raven in the rookery is dead.
My lord, there's been a message from High Point.
Okay, jetzt haben wir einen neuen Raben.
Lord Whitehill invites you to discuss a truce.
He wants to make peace.
As if we're that naive.
Maybe this is an opportunity. A way to get behind their walls.
and do what? You'd be putting yourself in danger, Roderick.
She's right. What do you hope to accomplish?
We could get Ryan back. This could be our chance.
You're right. Now that we have Griff, we can propose a trade.
A trade? His son
Doch,
for my
auch ein
brother.
Mikro vom Mund, so.
Then we have a plan. We'll leave first thing tomorrow morning.
If you're going ahead with this, at least bring the Glenmore soldiers.
We obviously need them here.
You can't mean for Roderick to travel unprotected.
What if the Whitehills attack Ironrath while he's gone?
My lord,
Das ist natürlich
cannot go
möglich.
into an enemy stronghold unprotected.
Nor can you leave Ironrath vulnerable.
We have small folk soldiers.
We'll need the Glenmores at High Point.
Die haben wenigstens Mauern drumherum, weißt du?
Yes, my lord.
Let Arthur Glenmore
Wenn wir unterwegs sind, haben wir gar
I'll
nichts
start making
drumherum.
the preparations.
To think that one of them might be spying for the Whitehills.
Duncan wanted you to travel to High Point without any protection.
Yet Royland would leave Ironrath defenseless.
Well, we'll need an advisor with me at High Point.
By rights, it should be your sentinel. But if we're going to an enemy stronghold, maybe you'd best take Sir Royland.
It's meant to be a negotiation, not a battle. How could any of them betray us? I've known these people my whole life.
I wish I knew. Still, we can
Hey,
bring
ich habe
your
mich
own
für
people.
einen Wächter entschieden, dann nehme ich den auch mit.
He comes
Also
down.
einen Hüter.
Royland can stay here and defend Ironrath.
Und
Very
Royland kann besser kämpfen. Definitiv. Dann kann er
Roderick,
zurückbleiben, weißt
I
du.
know I can't come to High Point, but I can't just sit around and do nothing. I want to help. Please, I'll do anything you ask of me, even something dangerous.
Talia, I may be leaving you here with a traitor. Find out who it is.
Find proof if you can.
Es könnte halt auch
do my best.
der Meister sein.
I have
Meister.
faith in you, Talia.
Ich meine ja nur.
I've known Lud Whitehill a long time. He's selfish, greedy, and arrogant. But he'd never kill a guest in his own home. At least, I don't think he would.
Im Gegensatz zu uns, ne? Nun, wir haben ihn ja nicht getötet, ne? Ihn hier. Essos.
Malcolm.
Geht's jetzt auf nach Meren?
Don't worry about me. Focus on the mission. Your family needs you. That's what matters right now.
I know. I won't fail them.
You'll make them proud. Good luck, my boy.
Eigentlich scheint er ziemlich froh drüber zu sein, dass er nicht mit muss. Habe ich so das Gefühl. So. Wo ist eigentlich die andere Drache?
Shall we begin?
Listen up! There are 4 of these guard posts throughout the city. They'll use them to warn the masters in case the slaves decide they're tired of wearing chains. We're here to make sure they don't see it coming. Therend, you take the north. Penn, the south. Asher, we'll take the east. And Kieran will cover the west. Make the enemy blind. Give the Unsullied a chance to get in and arm the slaves. The rest is up to them. Don't get cocky out there. One mistake and the man
You
at your
remember
side
when
will
we
pay
stole
for it.
that
You
giant
understand?
warhammer?
Get in, do
From
what you
that
have
woman
to
in
do,
Lee's?
and get your people
Didn't
out
she hit
alive.
you in the face with it?
That's all you
I
need
never
to care
thought my
about.
head could feel any
You
worse.
got that?
Tonight, any man who wishes to be free may take that freedom from the grip of his master. You will clear a path for them, but they must walk it alone. Justice belongs to the people of Marine. Do not make them wait any longer.
What does she know of justice?
Is there a problem? If you can't do this, tell me now. The Masters will be judged by the people of Marine, not by you.
You don't have to worry about us. Just point us at the people you want dead, we'll take it from there.
You enjoy this far more than you should. Kill only those you must. You will both do as Croft commands. Follow his orders exactly, or you will get nothing. Now go. Show them the hell they have made here.
Oh shit. Wir müssen genau machen, was wir gesagt kriegen, sonst kriegen wir gar nichts. Ich glaube, das könnte zum Problem werden.
Hoped I'd never see this place again. Tried to run once. Didn't make it very far.
Hier, halt mal ein Auge offen. Kleines Späßchen unter Freunden.
Which way?
There's a path around there. Voids the main street. Let's just get this over with.
Okay. Zurück. Geh doch zurück. Wie kann ich denn zurückgehen? Wahrscheinlich gar nicht. Achso. Also noch offensichtlicher kann man es eigentlich nicht machen. Die sind blind wie ein Fusch.
What's the matter, Croft?
You see how many guards are out there? How were you expecting to get past them? We'll be caught.
You asked me which way. This is it.
And we'll stay out of sight. Follow me.
Dringe vor, wenn die Luft rein ist. Ich weiß nicht, wann die Luft rein ist. Achso. Jetzt aber. Jetzt. Geh rüber. In Schleichen. Auf.
Can you see anyone?
Cover me.
Ich bin ein Faulster, ich muss Sachen ansehen. Ich muss alles angucken.
Blood. Someone's up there.
Then we'd better move.
Das ist ein Städtler. Der hängt die ganze Zeit am Fenster. Oh.
What are they doing?
Beskha! Beskha!
Yalwa Misha, Maya's Liwash. Shelshi Liwash.
Skuda juntas wa.
Das ist ein Sklave.
Yalwa Misha, Maya's Liwash. Shelshi Liwash.
Spalsa washka.
Maya's Liwash.
We have to go.
Ihr macht jetzt irgendwas Blödes.
There's something I have to do.
Das war so klar.
Beskha, what are you doing?
Do you trust me, Asher?
We don't have time for this.
Just tell me. Do you trust me?
Of course I trust you.
Good. This won't take long.
Beskha!
Where are you going?
Follow her!
Ingi Dratule. Sewas Rosli Wang Yiras.
Why are you doing this?
10 years ago.
Beskha! Stop!
I should have killed you.
Beskha!
I should have fucking killed you.
Beskha!
He was my master. Dezor Zoraza. The man who forced me to... I'm going to kill you!
Don't do this, Beskha. You don't have to kill him.
I can't let him live! You, of all people, should know that!
Have you lost your mind? I'm ordering you to back away!
My Beskha!
I am not your...
Let him go!
What are you doing?
Or I shoot! You will do as I say! Both of you! Take her weapon!
I need to do this, Asher. After everything he's done.
And he'll pay for it! Once the city is free, he will be punished!
Punished by a queen who has no right to. His life means nothing to her. She does not speak for the children who died in those pits.
Asher, stop her!
I will get their justice.
I won't let you ruin this for me. You heard what Daenerys said.
Your queen will understand.
Hopp. Zack. So, jetzt hasst sie mich. Weil sie es nicht selbst machen konnte, ist klar.
There.
How could... That wasn't your blood to
Do
take.
you have any idea what you've done? The Mother of Dragons will have your head for that!
Not before we finish the job. Now let's go.
Er hätte sonst auf sie geschossen. Ich hätte natürlich auch einfach abhalten können.
Over there.
Es ist verzwickt.
So when were you gonna tell me he's a fucking wildling? Not now, Finn.
Was ist das da für Schnüre da?
Come on.
What the hell is this place?
An old hunting camp. You can rest here.
Until your friends attack us again.
I know the signs, alright? It's abandoned.
I'm gonna go make sure nobody's lurking around out here. Don't trust this fucking place. Fine. Here. Let me take a look at it.
Es sieht nicht gut aus. Oh ja, ich habe einen Kräuterwickel. Jetzt bin ich dann endlich mal los. Den schleppe ich schon seit der ersten Folge mit rum.
Just relax, will ya?
What is that stuff? Ugh, it smells like sick cow.
The maester at House Forrester used it on my leg once. Not sure what it is, actually.
Do you even know what you're doing?
Hold that there.
You almost done.
Bandagen? Wo habe ich denn die her? Egal. Ich muss mal das Inventar loswerden, weißt du?
Does it have to be so tight?
Ja.
It does if you don't want to bleed to death.
Yes, Maester. Oh, you got anything to drink?
This far north and I still have to fetch the fucking wine.
Some water or something, please.
Ja.
I'll see what I can find.
Hier liegt überall Schnee. Friss Schnee, Junge. Also ernsthaft jetzt. Wieso hat er denn hier keinen Schnee? Also ich meine, warum trinkt er denn? Warum will er denn? Ich rede erstmal mit Finn. Was haben wir denn noch für Sachen? Voila.
Still don't trust him, you know. I know.
He nearly got us all killed. Fuck, maybe that's what he wanted to happen. Why else would he bring us here?
Ja klar, deshalb bringt er 3 Leute extra raus, um uns zu töten.
It's not so bad.
I did give him a chance. And look where we are.
Komm, er hat einen Punkt, ne? So, ich wollte gucken, was wir noch haben. Halskette, Karte des Nordhains. Ein Sack voll Nahrungsmittel? Ernsthaft? Dann hat uns doch die Frau da abgenommen. Warte mal, ich will erst da reingucken. Die Hütte.
Whoever was living here must have left. Too bad they didn't leave anything behind.
Mit dir?
You find any water?
Nee, ich bin noch auf der Suche. Ist aber auch hier. Mal her. Ist ja auch ein bisschen... Oh, ich will da durchlaufen, geht das nicht? Oh, das ist noch eine Hütte, guck mal. Hallo, oh, guck mal, was ist das da? Da hängt Zeugs im Speer. Da ist dieses Bärending, was wir vorhin am Baum, also das war so geschnitzt, da haben wir das gesehen. Einfach einen Speer angucken.
Someone's still living here.
Ach so. Ach so. Oh, was ist das? Skizzen?
Strange.
Ich bin...
Guess there's not much to do up here.
Ja, aber wenn hier noch jemand wohnt...
Oh, I've seen this before.
Ja, am Baum,
Don't
sag ich
move.
doch. Oh, 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 oh.
I'm warning
Ich
you.
mein, oh, oh, oh.
Or I'll gut you like a fucking fish.
Okay, die hat keine Ahnung, was mit dem Speer machen
You do
soll.
look like a sad little fish, don't you?
Jetzt
That happened a
laber
lot.
nicht dumm.
I can fix it for you.
But my friend is hurt. We're just looking for a place to rest.
There are others with you.
Step back!
Ja, mach das Schwert weg, mach das
Wanna
Schwert
kill
weg.
yourself or should I do it? Garrett! Drop your weapon!
Is that...
Garrett!
You're outnumbered. You can't fight all of us.
Cotter?
Was?
Sylvie.
Was?
You're alive.
Who's this fucking snowball?
I told you, come back.
Who
Ist
are
das seine
these people?
Schwester oder
They're
was?
friends.
You planning on introducing us, Cotter?
Right. This is my sister, Sylvie. She's the reason I brought you here. She can take us to the North Grove.
Na, das wäre doch mal eine feine Sache. Was auch noch eine feine Sache wäre, wenn die Folge weitergehen würde. Macht sie aber nicht, weil hier wird's spannend und deshalb gucken wir uns das morgen an. Schön. Miau. Oh, wir sind schon da. Morgen geht's los, ihr Leute, morgen geht's los.